We're continuing to keep our focus on the state of Assam, where severe flooding has killed at least 85 people and displaced millions in the last 2 weeks. As many as 27 districts of Assam have been affected adversely by the floods. Ashutosh Mishra gets you this ground report.
In Barpeta district, this is Chaudhary Bazar town, and a very small town in this district, but houses those who are submerged in the water. This looks scary here. I'll try to reach out to those villages which are now submerged, and those people have taken shelter on the roadside.
Scenes of complete devastation. Most of the villages in Barpeta district in Assam are completely inundated. India Today went to these villages that are cut off from the rest of the state due to floods. The only mode of travel is a boat ride, as all roads in the vicinity are submerged.
All the villages in Chaudhary Bazar, Junia, completely submerged. So the water sources, everything, electric poles, everything that looks submerged in the water completely. And even the visibility, while it's raining here in Barpeta, even the visibility from the main town and the national highway looks completely dark.
Rafi ul Usman and his family are amongst the many who have been forced to take shelter on the embankments. A roof made of tarpaulin sheets is what they could manage.
लॉकडाउन तो चल रहा है, आपको 3-4 महीना तो चल रहा है अभी तक। अभी तक कोई काम सम नहीं कर सकता है, लेकिन पानी तो घर में बहुत हो गया। पानी, खाने का पानी तो रास्ता का उस तरफ से जाके लेना पड़ता है, फिर पीना पड़ता है।
बहुत मुश्किल है, पानी बाहर है, अभी कैसा रहेगा? स्कूल का जगह बीटी है, बीटी में स्थान रहेगा।
With their homes submerged, women and children have been forced to ride on small boats and search for a safe location, even as incessant rains continue.
2 महीना हो गया।
2 महीने से आप ऐसे रह रही हैं?
हाँ।
खाना पीना राशन जो बाकी मदद पहुंचती है वो सरकार कह रही है हम मदद दे रहे हैं।
घर में 8 केजी चावल पे है, 1.5 केजी दाल पे है, और कुछ नहीं मिला।
कोई आया था देखने के लिए आप लोग किस कंडीशन में रहते हैं?
नहीं।
The locals are hoping the rains let up and floodwater recedes. Much of their possessions damaged, they will have to start from the scratch again.
Thousands are displaced. Lakhs in low-lying areas of Assam are adversely affected. It's only devastating images all around. Bringing this ground report at ground zero in flood-affected Assam, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.